My name is Vaishnavi. I am studying in first standard. My school name is St. Philomena High School. States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati; Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar; Assam, Dispur; Bihar, Patna; Chhattisgarh, Raipur; Goa, Banerjee; Gujarat, Gandhinagar; Haryana, Chandigarh; Himachal Pradesh, Shimla; Jharkhand, Ranchi; Karnataka, Bengaluru; Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram; Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal; Maharashtra, Mumbai; Manipur, Impal; Meghalaya, Shillong; Mizoram, Aizwal; Nagaland, Kohima; Odisha, Bhubaneswar; Punjab, Chandigarh; Rajasthan, Jaipur; Set Game, Gangtok; Tamil Nadu, Chennai; Telangana, Hyderabad; Tripura, Agartala; Uttarakhand, Dehradun; Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow; West Bengal, Kolkata. Districts in Karnataka: Bagalkot, Bellary, Bidar; Bengaluru Rural; Bengaluru Urban; Belagavi; Chamarajnagara; Chikkaballapura; Chitradurga; Dakshina Kannada; Davangere; Dharwad; Gadag; Hasan; Haveri; Kalburgi; Kodagu; Kolar; Pampala; Mandya; Mysore; Ramnagara; Raichur; Shivamogga; Tumkur; Udupi; Uttara Kannada; Vijayanpura; Yadgiri. Rivers of India: Brahmaputra; Ganga; Godavari; Indus; Kaveri; Krishna; Mahanadi; Narmada; Periyar; Tamizambrani; Vaigai; Yamuna. Indian monuments: Agra Fort; Ajanta Caves; Charminar; Gateway of India; Golden Temple; Gol Gumbaz; Hampi Temple; Iron Pillar; Jama Masjid; Khajuraho Temple; Lake Palace; Mysore Palace; Qutub Minar; Red Fort; Taj Mahal. Parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
Major cities in India:
Major cities in India: Mumbai, New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur. National festivals: January 26, Republic Day; August 15, Independence Day; September 5, Teachers Day; October 2, Gandhi Jayanti; November 14, Children's Day.
Top 10 scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists: Srinivas Ramanujan, C.V. Raman, Homi Bhabha, Jagdish Chandra Bose, Meghnad Shah, Satyendranath Bose, Anu Koknekar, APJ Abdul Kalam. Names of Rutus: Vasanta Rutu, Grishma Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Sharat Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shishira Rutu.
Jnanapita Awards winners from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Awards winners from Karnataka: Kuvempu, Dharavendre, Shivaram Karnan, Masti Venkatesh Iyengar, V.K. Gokar, U.R. Ananthamurthy, Girish Karnad, Chandrasekhara Kambara.
Official languages of India:
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Sindhi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu. Four Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Neighboring countries of India:
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring states of Karnataka:
Neighboring states of Karnataka: Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana. Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narsimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Brahma, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
Women freedom fighters of India:
Women freedom fighters of India: Durgabai Deshmukh, Anna Safali, Sujeta Kripalani, Kitturani Chennamma, Keladi Chennamma, Vanake Obava, Vijayalakshmi Pandit, Sarojini Naidu, Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai.
National flag color:
National flag color: saffron, white and green.
National fruit.
mango,
National vegetable.
pumpkin,
National flower.
lotus,
National animal.
tiger,
National sea animal.
dolphin. Thank you.